Playing double stops is playing two notes or more at the same time. Let's start by playing pizzicato. Bring your violin to playing position and very gently brush two strings at the same time. You can bring your finger over the G string as if you were only plucking your G string and have enough of your first finger on the D string to also make that note ring. Let's play the two lowest strings together 4 times with a pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you grab both strings together, it sounds like one note, like one sound, and just one beat. Listen to the sounds of the two notes played in harmony. Do the same thing with the two middle strings, and then with the two highest strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Now let's play with our bow. Find your good bow grip and position your bow in a place that easily allows for the bow to be touching two strings at the same time. Allow your elbow to adjust the string level so that your bow hair rests on two strings together. Now with the middle strings. And the two upper strings. The trick to playing a beautiful double stop is not to add too much pressure. Simply find the correct elbow position and play as if you were just playing a note on one string. Let the bow do the work for you. Let's practice double stops with the rhythm exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. For more advanced double stops, we add the left hand. Let's play the notes F sharp, G sharp, and A on the E string while playing an open A string. Let's play with rhythms and listen to the sound. Enjoy playing double stops. One, 2, 3, 4. On the A and D string, 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, on the G and D string. 1, 2, 3, 4.